Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to see the topic Business Intelligence Architecture from the Unit 1 Business Intelligence. So let us understand first what is Business Intelligence Architecture. So it is a system that collects, organizes and analyzes data from various sources within the business. It is also helping companies turn raw data into a useful insights so that the business people can make better decisions. So to be make it very simple, it is the setup that makes sure the data is collected proper and stored proper and delivered in a way that is easy to understand and meaningful and that will be useful for the decision making. And also in another aspects, a BA architecture, it is involving several components, all of the components which work together to improve the overall process of collecting, analyzing and visualizing the data. Here there are totally four main steps in data analysis to follow to ensure data contributes meaningful value to business priorities. So if you look at the diagram closely, the data sources can be taken from various sources. It is and also there is a method called ETL and ELT, which means extract, transform and load, or extract, load or transform. And there is other data clouds also available, and the transformations can be taken place followed by the process. Also, at the end of the process, the data visualizations can be achieved with the AI driven analysis. So this is where the AI architecture is being understood. So what are the two categories of business intelligence architecture? One is data in place. The other architecture is data recovery, where data repository based business intelligence architecture. In two categories. In the first category, where the data is analyzed when it is where it is resides. In the second category, the data is moving to a central repository of analysis. If you look at the diagram closely, the first category where the data source is a single and it is reporting an analytics platform it is using, which is called RAP. In another category, where you can see the multiple data sources with the data visualization tool of or RAP support, the users can see that. So this is the two types of things where you can see that. And the third category is actually, it is mentioned in the upcoming slides. This is the architecture of three, where you will find multiple data sources, n number of data sources, and all these data sources can be combined together with the integration of ETL tools. And then the storage system is configured and explored with the data marts, data warehouses and data lakes, and with the business AI tools like OLAP, online analytical processing, and self-service business intelligence and data visualization. With all that, the consumers will be benefiting from various reporting tools and interactive dashboards. So there are totally three architecture where you can see that in the first category of architecture, you can see this, there is only one data source. So that data source supplies the data in the form of static reports to the next step, which the reporting and analytics platform. So in this, RAP offers a more robust solution. It supports various types of outputs, including static reports, accurate pixel perfect reports, data analysis reports, and dynamic visualization. Also, it is providing a multiple ways to deliver these reports, like via like email, the FTP, SFTP protocols, or through a portal. So it is also including features like role-based access, just to ensure the right people see the right data, and offers different tools made for both developers and end users. For example, a sales team might receive a monthly PDF report with sales figures, while the data analyst could use the RAP to create and explore custom visualization based on real-time data. So in architecture 2, where there are multiple data sources, as you have seen in the diagram, the data from these sources are merged together. So different users, they might access these separate data sources using the same front end tool, but if they need to combine data from different sources, they have to do it in themselves. So for example, if you take a marketing team, they might pull customer data from one source and sales data from another source using the same dashboard, but they would need to manually combine this information to get a complete view. So that's it. And if you see that in architecture 3, the understanding is in this BA architecture, given It is consisting of multiple components working together to turn raw data into useful information. The core systems that hold operational and transactional data are known as data sources. This data is cleaned and prepared for analysis with the aid of data integration tools, especially the ETL. After all the data is prepared, the data is kept in operational data stores, data lakes, and data warehouses. So after the BI tools evaluation and presentation, the data to assist users in identifying patterns and reaching choices. So the tools for information distribution make it easy to work with this data, giving you the access to real-time information and in-depth views. So the benefits of a well-designed BI is it is useful for smarter decision making. Of course, it delivers real-time data back insights, making it easier for confident decisions. And second one is improved efficiency. By automating the data collection and reporting, the team can spend time less digging through spreadsheets and more time focusing on strategy in that. So consistent data management, it is also one of the benefit where the data warehouse is centralized, so everyone works on same and consistently. So scalability is another benefit for the growth, and this is completely benefiting to the data systems, and that will ensure ready to handle more complexity and more customers, they will have more insights on into it. And competitive advantage, this will give you the agility to adapt quickly to market changes, putting them a step ahead. So the types of BI architectures, if you see that centralized BI and decentralized BI and cloud-based BI and hybrid BI, there is also one kind of called self-service BI. So if you look at the centralized DBI, there might be a particular single data warehouse would be there. If it is decentralized, means it has its own flexibility where different teams are working in different information. So it is completely heterogeneous. There is a different set of silos are involved, data silos. And in cloud-based platform business intelligence, there we can get the support of Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud. So these will be very scalable and cost effective, and that will be helpful for easy remote access. In hybrid EBA, we can have a combination of on-premise and cloud situations, and which will the companies are nowadays transitioning the entire cloud to the hybrid model. They prefer to keep it in. And in the self-service model, it is for allowing non-technical users to generate their own reports and dashboards without relying on IT. It democratizes data access and speed ups of decision making. So on a conclusion, business intelligence architecture is all about making data for you work for you. It is the difference between guessing and knowing, between reacting and planning. If you want your business to stay competitive, investing in a strong BA system is not just an option, it is a necessity. Whether you are just starting out or looking to improve your existing system, understanding the components, challenges, and best practices of BI architecture will set you on the path to smarter decisions and more efficient, successful business.